and got some rust on it. Got some couple spots there, but it sat around for years. Decided they could produce the car cheaper in England, so it has English body, Continental kit, and just to get an idea, you can see it's got an emblem on the front for Metropolitan, $1,256, and that was the total price. It was got over 40 miles to the gallon with the next to it, the 1959 boat, which goes with a 1959 car, which kind of makes it unusual. 12 to 20 cents a gallon, long time. Thus the outside rust. Probably leaves and whatever laying on it, which contributed to the acid, which caused all that. Somewhat messed up at one time, so she copied it on there.